Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about 10 best ways how to make money on Instagram in 2022. If you are still not sure about this, maybe seeing how Instagram influencers make hundreds and even thousands per post will help motivate you. Sprout Social's research also shows that because Instagram has the highest engagement rates, many established brands are actively looking to collaborate with Instagram users and paying them really good money for it. In this video you will see how some of your favorite Instagram influencers are managing to make money on the platform. Here are our top 10 ways to make money on Instagram. Number 1. Publish sponsored posts. This is one of the most popular ways to make money on Instagram. If you're a huge fan of the platform, then you have probably come across sponsored or ad before. Well, firstly, you need to be an influencer. This word is thrown around so much these days. It can be difficult to understand what it actually means. In a nutshell, influencers are people who have built a following online by posting relevant content for their audiences. Their audiences also respect their views and opinions on certain topics. Good influencers establish themselves as authority figures in certain industries, and the more valuable content they share with their audience, the more trust they earn from them. As you already know, whether it's in your personal or professional life, trust is something that takes time to earn, and brands know this. So they partner up with influencers who have a good connection with their audiences, and whose content connects with their brands and sponsors their posts. Number 2. Become a brand ambassador. A brand ambassador is someone who promotes a brand and its products to their network with the objective of increasing brand awareness and helping drive sales. The main difference is that brand ambassadors regularly speak about a product, while sponsored posts can be a once-off deal. The opportunity to work long-term with an influencer and have them often talk positively about their products to their followers is understandably very appealing to brands. Because of this, many brands are looking for brand ambassadors, and they are also willing to pay good money for it. Studies have shown that the standard salary of a brand ambassador is in the range of $50,000 per year. When looking to become a brand ambassador, we believe that the key is to choose a brand in your niche and a brand that aligns with your brand. For instance, if you regularly post workout videos, it makes sense to align yourself with a fitness brand. Of course, human beings are multifaceted, and we can be more than one thing. However, it's important to remember that your audience is paying close attention to the content you upload. It will be challenging to build a loyal following if you are talking about the importance of eating organic food one week and then aligning yourself with a fast food brand the next. Number 3. Promote affiliate links. Affiliate links have become a popular way to make money on Instagram, and getting started is also simple. Firstly, you need to identify a brand with an affiliate program that you are interested in working with. Secondly, you register for their affiliate program. After registering, you become an affiliate partner and get your unique trackable link or promo code. Thirdly, you promote the product in your Instagram account and include the link or promo code when doing so. If any of your followers follow the link and purchase, you earn a commission from the sale. Teeny Blends is a popular detox tea brand with an affiliate program. Although they have worked with many celebrities like the Kardashian-Jenner sisters, they also work with micro-influencers from all over the world. It's not enough just to include the affiliate links. As shown from the image above, it's also important to talk a bit about the product, why you love it, and some of its benefits. The money you earn on an affiliate program is based on commission. If this is the route you like to follow to make money on Instagram, make sure that whatever brand you choose has an excellent reputation and is relevant for your audience, so that you have a better chance of making those sales. Number 5. Sell physical products. Making money on Instagram is not all about promoting other brands. If you are a creator or entrepreneur and want to grow your brand and promote your products, you can also sell your physical products through your Instagram business account. One account that's doing a great job of this is Moon Magic. They sell gemstone jewelry and regularly showcase their products on their Instagram account. The best part about this option is that you do not have to worry about posting messages from other brands or remembering to include the right promo code. You can just focus on your brand and products and promote them to your audience. Number 6. Sell digital products. This one shouldn't come as a surprise, because if you can sell physical products on your Instagram account, then you can also sell digital products. Instagram has become such a powerful selling machine. Do you have an ebook you recently finished writing? An online course? Are you a graphic designer with great design templates? You can sell these products and so much more on Instagram. The business account has helpful features such as the shop button, in-app checkout, and product tags to make it easy for your customers to purchase your products. Although it's much more affordable to advertise your products and sell on Instagram, it can be challenging to drive sales. Big brands will often have their online stores on platforms like Shopify and then use Instagram to promote their products. This strategy works well because, as highlighted earlier, Instagram has a lot of users. Number 7. Printing photos. Printing photos is also a creative way of how to make money on Instagram. In this digital age, people will often upload pictures they take onto their social media accounts. These photos are usually saved on a memory card or in the cloud for convenience. But how often do they browse through some of these pics? We live very busy lives, and if you're like most people, it's difficult to find the time to go back in time and review some of these treasured moments. This is what makes printing photos and creating photo books a great way to make money on Instagram. Chatbooks is a brand that does this so well. Customers reach out to them, and they turn their Instagram posts into photo books. Number 8. Provides social media marketing services. At the beginning of this post, we mentioned how powerful Instagram is. One of our favorite things about Instagram and social media in general is that you do not need to have a huge marketing budget to promote your brand. Social media has provided the opportunity for startups and small businesses, which usually have limited money and resources, the platform to connect with their target markets and see exponential growth. However, as powerful as many businesses know it is, around 49% of companies do not have a social media marketing strategy. Sure, they might have a few accounts on different social platforms, but they don't have a clear plan in place on how to use social media to drive awareness and sales. If you know your way around social media marketing, this provides a great opportunity for you, since you'll be providing a service that businesses value. You can expect to earn anything around $16 per hour to $75 per hour depending on your expertise and experience. To get started with these options, you will first need to know how Instagram marketing works. This includes understanding important tactics like how often to post and the right way to use hashtags. Once you have a good understanding of Instagram marketing, you can then start building a strong portfolio and marketing yourself to your target market. If you're a newbie, you can reach out to local businesses and NGOs and help them with their Instagram accounts. You can then provide case studies of how you help these businesses grow through your services. Number 9. Find freelance clients via Instagram. Gone are the days where Instagram is just for posting your outfit of the day or cute little puppy. Sure, you can still do that. However, if you are a creative looking for networking opportunities, this is the perfect place to help scale your business. Whether you're a photographer, an author, or a makeup artist, you can easily set up your account and use this platform as your online portfolio. The key to getting started is optimizing your account. Tell your visitors that you are a freelancer and specify what you do. Number 10. Create Instagram stories, masks, and photo. The launch of Instagram stories back in 2012 has to be one of the defining moments of the platform. Sure, it wasn't original. We won't forget about the fact that this was copied from Snapchat. Nonetheless, this content format has undoubtedly been engaging and exciting for users. Studies have shown that 500 million Instagram users either create their own or watch Instagram stories daily. So what makes this content format so compelling that hundreds of millions of people feel like they need to tune in every day to watch or create it? It's the simple fact that Instagram stories are only available for a limited time. So whenever celebrities or influencers post an Instagram story, their audiences are instantly hooked and engaged, as they don't want to miss out on the content that won't be there forever. This has created an opportunity for users to create Instagram stories, masks, and filters. While the big brands will most often turn to their in-house creative team, smaller brands are more into collaborating with creatives who can create fun and exciting Instagram masks and filters. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.